can't delay.
We rise above, we break the chain. In this place we stand again. We lift ourselves with every sound, a wave that's rising from the ground.
It's a circle that we fall into, where every thought begins anew. A path that calls us to explore. We find the answers in the core.
Moving forward, no way to turn.
A fire that we can't unlearn. Every beat lifts us up high. We feel it all as we fly.
Let it go, we take the ride. No holding back, no place to hide. We feel the shift, we feel the beat. We let the sound complete our feet.
Every emotion leads to more. We open doors we can't ignore. A pull that's strong, it's hard to fight. We feel the rhythm, we feel the night.
The energy, it fills the space. Every note falls into place. We rise again with every sound. We lose ourselves, we're all around.
The beats unite, we're all aligned. In this space we leave behind the world outside, we're locked in time. Together we rise, we climb, we climb.
The baseline cuts, it fades to black, but in our hearts we're coming back. The moment's near, we feel the shift. Every sound begins to lift.
As we fall, we find the sound. We move together all around. In the flow, we're here to stay. A place we can never betray.
The final beat, it shakes the ground. A rising force, it's all around. We break the chain, we rise again. In the flow, we find our end.
Follow beat, it shakes the ground. A rising force, it's all around. We break the chain, we rise again. In the flow, we find our end.